Boy, we sure need that rain in a lot of places.
Oh, keeping our fingers crossed for that one.
Light winds not helping us with the smoke from the distance fire of Hinesville and the Okefenokee Swamp. We'd like to see some soaking rains. We think we're going to see some rains tomorrow. Not enough, I'm afraid, but it'll be a start. Take a look outside with our Doppler Max 11 radar right now. Here's where those light showers are now, headed into our low country counties. In fact, Hampton County coming out of Screven County. Look at this, still. It's just about ready to work its way across the county, and that's about it. Not any other shower activity, though. There's certainly some heavier clouds representing the opportunity for more moisture, and those mostly cloudy skies will probably be with us tomorrow. It's a line of showers along a frontal boundary. The first of two fronts. Here's one. Second, a little less defined, is crossing through the Chicago area. This has got a lot more energy to work with, though we've seen some severe weather from that second front farther to the north. Severe weather's not part of the story for us. It is, though, vivid lightning, which could start more wildfires. It is some locally heavy rainfall, and if one of those cells gets right over Hinesville, that would help out a lot, I'm sure. But here's we go through Tuesday into Wednesday. Notice Wednesday things start shifting a little farther to the south, but they start returning back on Thursday, keeping our chances of showers and thunderstorms according to FutureMax. So we'll watch that very carefully. In the tropics, little to talk about. Nothing in the Gulf. Got a little wave here going through the Caribbean, and across the Atlantic, everything is just fine, and that's just fine as well. Of course, make a programming note, please. Join us for our hurricane special Wednesday night, prime time, 9 o'clock. Inform for the storms with all of our WTOC SkyTrack weather team. We'll all be here to provide that hour of programming information for you. 98 was our high today, a little short of the record, 101. No rainfall, 6.5 inches plus below normal. From the 90s, we have now cooled into the evening, now into the 80s across most of the areas. Savannah right now at 85 degrees, but still a heat index of 91. There's the primary front with a trough of low pressure ahead of that. That's what fired off some storms over the low country earlier Tuesday. That front starts to work into Georgia, but it's moving more off to the east, quite frankly. We're not getting as much help there as we thought we would. Just past a low tide, high tide next at 4:51. Low tide again, 11:06 for tomorrow morning. There is a small craft advisory. So our Doppler Max 11 forecast for tonight. Low country showers possible. 76 for a low tonight, but it won't be enough to clear the atmosphere of any smoke that you might be smelling. Southwest winds will continue. 50-50 chance of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. 91 with that southwest breeze. Look at the heat index up to 102, so it's still going to be dangerously hot. 91 on Wednesday, 40% chance of storms. That's early in the day. Thursday, 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms, high of 93. And the, quote, routine afternoon showers and thunderstorms right through the end of the forecast period. Mid-90s for highs, even some lower 90s. Overnight lows stay warm, too, in the 70s. So we're going to be preserving tomatoes this weekend at the Bamboo Farms, if you want to check that out, or some local summer theater, Hairspray and Wizard of Oz. Check those out as well. Hot late-day storms for the weekend. Oh, and don't forget, Thursday, we'll be programming weather radios. There are 3 dates that are scheduled. The first one is Thursday from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Kroger in Bluffton. They will sell you a weather radio at a special price. Don't forget the batteries. We will program it for free. I can hear those little deet, 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 deet tones already. No, actually, it's a wonderful thing. We look forward to seeing you there, please.
Thanks a lot, John.